Alive first alert forecast.
But at least the forecast is nice, right? Temperatures this morning, they were on the chilly side. We got down into the low 20s at about 8 a.m. But temperatures have climbed pretty quickly. We're currently sitting in the mid to upper 30s across the region. And the reason why we're having such a big temperature swing is because we don't have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. The dew points are all down in the low 20s. And the further the dew point temperature and the actual air temperature are from each other is telling us that's drier and drier air. And this is going to be in place over the next several days. So we'll continue to see some fairly big temperature swings. This afternoon, we'll climb up to 41 for the high. That's about a 20-degree difference from where we bottomed out at this morning. But we will see mostly sunny conditions. So while, yes, not terribly warm, this 41 degrees, it'll still be a nice day. A nice evening as well if you maybe plan to go out to Fantasy of Lights. Nice and clear conditions. Temperatures dropping pretty quickly after sunset, 30 at 7 p.m. and we're down into the 20s for the rest of the evening. But still, nice viewing conditions tonight, even though a little bit chilly, for the Geminid meteor showers. They are going to peak tonight, and you want to make sure to watch our evening newscast. Meteorologist Brian Barrett is going to have more about where to look, when to look, but just know that viewing conditions right now, they look pretty good. Swinging back to temperatures now, we're going to see them trend warmer and warmer over the next couple of days. A lot of red right on top of us telling temperatures are going to be anywhere between 10 to maybe even 15 degrees warmer than where they're supposed to be for this time of year. So we're talking highs in the low 50s for your Friday. And not only that, that's also good news, but also good news is we're mostly clear throughout the rest of the week. There may be a few more clouds rolling in on Friday afternoon and then into Saturday morning, but overall we're not worried about precipitation for the next couple of days, and that's even the case for your weekend as well. Saturday night into Sunday, you see that those bars are a little bit taller, telling us, yeah, there's the chance of a rain shower, but right now that doesn't look like it's going to be a slam dunk thanks to the dry air that's in place. So at least through Saturday, we can say if you want to put up the holiday lights, it is going to be a perfect time to do that. Here's your first alert extended forecast showing mostly sunny conditions through the end of the week and that high of 50 for your Friday. Mostly cloudy for your Saturday and a high of 47. Sunday we're at 46. A small chance for some rain showers right now on Sunday, but like I mentioned, it does look like it's going to be dry. And then we trend a little bit cooler, at least in comparison to the weekend as we start next week. 43 for that high on Monday, a mix of sun and clouds. And then next Tuesday, a high of 41 and mostly sunny conditions. And I guess another piece of good news as well is we look at those overnight lows over the next 7 days, and they're not bitterly cold like what we could get sometimes of year, averaging about 25. And you can see there's a couple of 30s for the overnight. So no particularly frigid weather ahead over the next 7 days. And it does look like this pattern is going to continue as we inch closer and closer to Christmas.
Yeah, almost the complete opposite of what we had last year, if you remember. So definitely good to see. All right, Caleb, thank you so much. All right, so the